Hey everyone! If you're having trouble launching Valorant and seeing the error Incompatible Software Component Detected with the file name ene.sys, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get it running again. Just follow each step carefully. First, we need to find the file that's causing the error. Open File Explorer and navigate to c/windows/system32/drivers. Once you're in the drivers folder, use the search box in the top right corner and type the file name exactly as it appears, in this case, ene.sys. When you find the file, right-click it and select Rename. Rename it to ene.sys.old, then press Enter to save the name, and if Windows asks for admin permission, click Continue. Once the file is renamed, go ahead and relaunch Valorant. In many cases, this will fix the issue immediately. If renaming the file didn't work, the error is likely caused by RGB driver software on your PC. This could include programs like IQ Software, RGB Fusion, Razer Synapse, or any other RGB control software you might have installed. Make sure to completely uninstall these programs from your system. Once that's done, restart your PC and open Valorant again. This should fix the Incompatible Software Component Detected error. And that's it. After following these steps, Valorant should launch without any errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.